In this video, we're going to look at some teaching strategies, accommodations, and modifications for students with dyslexia. One teaching strategy that you can do is provide well-done, exemplary examples of finished products. This will help clarify and provide a framework for students to create their own work. Another strategy is to assign reading buddies. This is similar to peer tutoring, except it's less formal. Classrooms should aim to have designated quiet places for students with dyslexia to be able to read in peace. The longer the reading assignment, the more challenging it will be for a child with dyslexia. It's advantageous for students when teachers chunk or break down reading assignments. One way to better help these children read is to use large print texts. It makes words easier to recognize just because of the size. Teachers should pre-teach vocabulary to dyslexic students before reading any type of short story, novel, or other reading assignment. Sentence starters are another effective teaching strategy. Teachers use sentence starters to give students ideas on how to start their paragraphs and sentences. Diagnosis and frequent assessment are necessary for long-term reading success for students with dyslexia. Colored overlays are an inexpensive tool that may benefit dyslexic children. They are all meant to alleviate stress and help remove symptoms associated with dyslexia. Provide letter strips for these children. Teachers can place these on student desks to help improve letter recognition. School districts need to understand that dyslexia is a disability, which puts these students at a disadvantage. Teachers should grade for content. A great strategy to help improve reading for dyslexic children is to enlist their parents and guardians to help out and work to improve the quality of their child's education. Because these students have difficulties reading and recognizing words, audio supports are a great supplement to any reading activity. Another great supplemental support is text-to-speech software. I encourage parents, teachers, and advocates to put pressure on the school district to pay for this software if needed. Dyslexic students may not comprehend material the first reading. Give these students multiple opportunities. Teachers should incorporate interesting topics for the students into the class readings. This may get them excited. Next, teachers should consider utilizing a multi-sensory approach to instruction. I'm not talking about learning styles, I'm talking about allowing students to learn through multiple modalities. And lastly, provide students with guiding questions during their reading assignments. Let these questions point your students in the right direction while keeping them engaged in the assignment. Anyway, right now I want to thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that thumbs up button, and check the description link for resources to my Teachers Pay Teachers channel as well.